Let's see how much this motorcycle engine loves to drive.
Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness, telling me that
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am gonna review my KTM Adventure 390. Starting with the looks of this motorcycle, the chassis is based on KTM's Dakar Rally winning off-road bike. You get block pattern Med Zero Torrance tires, 19-inch wheel up front and 17-inch at rear. The tank capacity of this motorcycle is 14.5 liters, which is pretty enough for long highway runs. You get a long travel 43 mm W Apex suspensions, which is not too hard nor plunged. It is balanced very well. The suspension travel up front is 170 mm and 177 mm at rear. The seat height of this motorcycle stands at 855 mm, which is sort of tiptoeing for the riders below 5'7" height. My height is 5'10" and this is how I communicate with this bike. Due to long travel suspensions, the ground clearance of this motorcycle is whole 200 mm, which is enough to clear the bad obstacles on road. You get protection for your levers, gets bash plate to protect your engine from any hard stone hitting to it, and also gets the crash guard as standard. This motorcycle comes with ride-by-wire technology, and talking about technology, it comes with whole lot of electronics which no other bike in its segment has to offer. It comes with colored TFT display which helps to have all the possible information during ride. Apart from this, we have switchable ABS, cornering ABS, traction control and quick shifter auto blipper as standard. Coming to the heart of this bike, the engine is pretty much the same which we have seen on Duke and RC 390, and it is BS6 compliant. It is the same 373cc single cylinder engine, comes with liquid cooling which pumps out 43.5 horsepower and 37 Newton meters of torque, which is good enough for long highway runs and overtaking is not a task. Talking about cooling, it comes with dual radiator fans which helps in diverting the heat away from your leg. So in that sense, unlike the previous 390s, heating is not an issue. Now let's talk about the anchor dropping power of this bike. It comes with 320 mm disc with 4 piston radially fixed calipers at front and 230 mm single piston caliper at back. This bike weighs 158 kg dry, so it is very easy to maneuver in city traffics. Now let's get onto the bike and see what more it has to offer.
So now let's try some off-roading downhill capabilities of this motorcycle. The only thing you have to do is place yourself comfortably on saddle and allow the bike to glide over these obstacles.
prepare to die.
Now time for some uphill trail. The only thing you have to do is go to the settings, select motorcycle traction control, keep the button pressed for 3 seconds for switching off the traction, and this will help to go in flow without allowing the electronics to intervene during your off-roading sessions.
Prepare to die.
now it's time to do some power slides.
I was not ready to falling like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing and keep your words naked.
By entering into off-road ABS mode, you can lock your rear wheel while the front wheel is still in control of ABS.
After covering all the technical aspects of this motorcycle, let's see how much this motor loves to rev.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Alright people, time to end this vlog. So this was a short user review of my KTM Adventure 390. So if you end up liking this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press that bell icon so that you will be get notified for the upcoming videos. Till then, take care, bye bye. I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care guys.